Are you ready to secure yourself a dream home in one of the smartest, one of the beautiful city here in Sangotedo-Ajah? Then welcome to the Venice, Sangotedo-Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. A modern smart city here in Sangotedo that combines luxury, tech, and innovation. Look around you. So welcome again. This is Precious Obong of IDB Properties. I'm still in the business of making you a proud homeowner. Are you new to my channel? Welcome, like, share my videos, subscribe, press the bell notification so you can be getting feature updates whenever we drop a new video. Right now we are earning an exclusive promo on our 4-bedroom terrace duplex selling for 115 million and 2-bedroom apartment selling for 70 million, while our 3-bedroom apartment selling for 80 million naira. So we have, you can spread the balance, you can spread your payment for up to 6 months. We have here, flexible payment plan options for you with an initial deposit of 10 million naira for the apartment. You key into either the 2-bed or the 3-bed, while 20 million naira initial deposit you key into the 4-bedroom terrace duplex. Features here, we have solar powered street lights here, greenery, the paved road. We have CCTV camera, so 24-hour surveillance. We have our gated estates. We have, luxury amenities that will cause your living experience here to be beautiful. So with neighborhoods such as the Blenco supermarket, the Sky Mall, we have the Novera Mall. We also have, schools. We have, shopping malls and lots more, all in this neighborhood. So what are you waiting for? Key into the Venice today and enjoy luxury at its peak.